The AK Islanders have Ken Fernandez to thank for last night's win in the Budweiser Baseball Playoff Series. Fernandez slammed a 3-run homer in the 7th inning to push the Islanders to a 2-0 series lead over the Bank of Guam A's. The A's squandered a 3-1 lead in the 4th inning when AK mounted in 6 runs off 5 hits. This was the tying hit by Junior Regis with a runner on first and third. That put the game at 3-3. A bad pitch puts AK up by 2 runs. The A's hold a quick meeting on the mound with Roque Alcantara checking if things are okay. Then the hero, Ken Fernandez, pops a sacrifice fly into the heart of center field. That puts the Islanders up 6-3. Pat Fernandez also got in on the action, batting an RBI single that turned into a triple. The Islanders beat the Athletics 11-5 and have won 3 straight games against the A's. Mateo Matanani took the win on the mound with 5 strikeouts. Ken Fernandez went 2 for 5 with a run, 4 RBIs, and that homer. Jim Regis was 2 for 5 with a run and 3 RBIs. Keith Hattick was perfect at the plate, 3 for 3 with 2 runs and an RBI. And Dominic Cruz went 2 for 4 with 2 runs for AK. Roque Alcantara Jr. was given the loss with 2 strikeouts. Nate Lujan was 2 for 4 with 2 runs. Ryan Martinez was 3 for 4 with 3 runs and a ribby. And Tommy Morrison was 2 for 5 with 2 RBIs. Tomorrow, the Moylan's ODC Braves and the Payless Junior Nationals continue their series. The Braves lead the series 2-0.